we're here at a famous parts store, and it was nice enough of the manager to let me do his headlights to show you how amazing Lenz Clear is and how easy it is. And we're going to clean this headlight up. It's pretty sunny out right now, so you might not be able to see how good this clears this up, but we're going to do it anyway, and we're going to see what kind of results we get. Put a little bit on the rag. Oh yeah, it's cleaning right up. And I didn't get to wash these first. Look at that. And they're pretty faded, so it may take me a couple times, but the whole thing, but cleared it right up. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit more on it, just to that's it. That easy. Cleared it right up. Alright, now we're going to go over to the other headlight really quick. And you can probably see the difference. You can see all the yellow on the rag. It took the yellow right out of the plastic. Alright, so we're going to put a little bit more on here. And again, it's clearing it right up. He's going to come out and go, wow, my headlights haven't been this clear in a long time. Well, this is how easy it is. Done in minutes. I'm going to hit it one more time. Just to... And that's it. The lights are all clear. Bring it down a little bit. Look at that. LenzClear.com.